Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, hey, welcome to the crew. So I just wanted to come on and reintroduce myself a little bit because I have a lot of new subscribers on here, and I'm sure you guys are like, who is the Motley girl? Well, guess what? I'm going to tell you. First off, my name is Desiree. I am a 45-year-old mom of a beautiful little 7-year-old girl. I was born and raised in Brooklyn, New York. I have been natural for I probably lost count, but it's definitely been well over 10 years or so. I love any and everything that has to do with natural hair, makeup, and skincare. So what are you going to find on here, right? Quick and easy makeup tutorials. Why? Because I ain't got the kind of time to be sitting here spending 2 hours doing my makeup. I want to be in and out, in a good 20, 30 minutes tops. That's all I got. You're going to find quick and easy natural hair tutorials. Why? Because again, I ain't got 2 hours to be sitting here doing my hair. You're going to find really good wash and go tips. You're going to find really good product recommendations for your wash and goes. My goal is to help you guys out there master your wash and go here. So I am 45 years old, like I said, and unfortunately, perimenopause is in the building. Can we have a moment of silence? And thank you. So I never struggled with acne, even as a teen, but unfortunately during perimenopause, my skin is tripping and it's all over the place. So I'm going to be taking you on my journey as I learn to navigate and how to care for my skin during perimenopause. So before I go, I just want to give you guys 3 quick little fun facts about me. So fun fact number 1, I'm a Scorpio. Shout out to all my Scorpios. I'm a November Scorpio, not an October Scorpio, because I do believe there is a difference. And fun fact number 2, I'm a tall girly. I am 5'10" tall. Fun fact number 3, I have a bachelor's and a master's degree in criminal justice. Ask me, am I doing anything with those degrees? No, I am not. So thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I'm looking forward to building this community. So remember to like this video, comment down below, and let me know where you guys are from. And also, don't forget to turn on your notifications so you do not miss any videos. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.